Hi guys, this is Sheikh Shahbaz and I'm here to give a presentation on project risk management. And here we're gonna give a presentation under for a case study. And we are people of three in a group: myself, Sheikh Shahbaz, and Dhruv and Anjanielu. We're gonna give a presentation on case study. And going to the introduction part, let's go to the introduction slide. Next slide, please. Yeah, introduction to this case study. Yeah, have you seen my bulldozer? This might sounds like a funny name for the case, but it can describe a project manager's strategic and valuable story. There is one central conflict. Jill, the project manager, he is a project manager and has a significant problem when a multi-million dollar bulldozer sinks during the project event. This case highlights the need to use risk and quality management process at every project stage. From this analysis of this case of Jill, the project manager, as I told, it will be possible to see when and why and how risk management and quality assurance can help avoid such an experience and guaranteed project success. Thus, this case increases awareness of project management's multi-phase and challenging aspects. This was about the introduction of the case and going to the background of the case. As I told, Jill is a project manager in a top mining company involved in constructing a 3 miles road to a new mining area. The project is divided into phases. They were divided into different phases, and the completion of the first one and the accession of the following resources marks the end to the of second phase. It is rather long distance, 3 miles, in celebration of this success, the company conducted a press briefing, which signified the next step, the second phase, by having a ceremonial ribbon breaking using what like CAD D11T bulldozer. As seen in this event, the project was recorded as it demonstrated the company's progress to the stakeholders such as the senior managers, elected individuals, regulators, authorities, and the media. This was about the background of the case, and you can see the picture of the bulldozer, and it's a mining area. And the other slide will be explained by my friend Dhruv.
Thank you for that, man. So you know that incident, it's the name of the slide. The bulldozer is summarized and potentially during the event. At the event, it's which of the construct the building was emitted and the bulldozer suddenly started the shallow into the ground. So operator tried to reverse it, but it's not done at the situation. It's going to be worst, and the manager and the team have been questioned that like what happened there, how we are going to reverse that thing. So it throughout the attention how the risk and the quality must be managed to ensure that not hidden the project. Next slide. So the next slide is immediate finding. So in that, it's you know that both of the crew is stuck into two different type of territory. The first one is at undefined masking product pot and the got worst when its bulldozer sank into that. Upon the investigation that it's sunk into the musk, that type of the soil, like or the quicksand, like the incapable of the supporting bulldozer weight. Sonar and the dragline attempt to locate the bulldozer were also made into the vein because of the pocket was packed. In the present case, the company which apply pocket dragline lost as an environmental agency denied the request. So geological engineer had to come over there and test that soil and conduct the sample to the fact. laboratory. Some of the potential concern that the flow and the regardless of the risk and quality management in this project were significant identification. Next slide. So risk management and the quality process. That would be the next slide. So risk management is to conduct the proper risk analysis and the quality control of the mechanism need to be altered significantly. That issue with the bulldozer empathize to need to be adapt the risk analyst and the eventually for the quality of the goods. Some of the failure has happened previously. That's why the quality is needed. Some aspects such as the omitting the provide details for the soil testing, provide the sample. That's why we can that thing is not going to be happen again. So in this example of the significant the risk and the quality management across the project life cycle, identify and manage, empathize and obtain the success of the project. So next slide is going to taken by the Raju.
Hello, today I'm talking about lessons learned and moving forward. After the situation with the bulldozer, Jill and here, team had to employ both urgent and permanent solutions for the problem. Its consequences in short term, the local project had a high cost and delays. Mainly recovery costs extended. Consequences were among them. Organizations could lose their reputation and more attention from the audience. It also presents all the of our external clients and ideas about the further evolution of risk management techniques. William et al. At 2019 and P732. From the above analysis, there is a need to develop complex project management methodologies that effectively coordinate the application of project risk and quality management in improving project outcomes and dependability. And here's the conclusion. There are the have you seen my bulldozer? Case establishes the relatives need to factor risk and quality procedures in project delivery. This case shows the day effects of sheer neglect and no supervision. Therefore, constant risk and quality checks should always be conducted. Therefore, by using Jill's experience, project managers will be able to learn about different impediments and devise feasible and strategies and tackling these difficulties. Tips that can be taken away from the case help to improve project management practices, may provide improved dependability and success for the future projects. Thank you for listening, and I would like to open the floor to the answer. And these are the references. Thank you so much, guys, and thank you so much. This is all about our project, and thank you.
Yeah, thank you guys and giving us the opportunity to give us the presentation. And yeah, thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you for like doing all the hard work, and for the next semester we are also going to do the best, and hopefully in the future we are going to be good in the project management or wherever we are. So thank you for that, man.
Thank you.
Thank you.